Hey Sammy fam, I've wanted to try this for so long, so today we are going to make... What are you gonna make me so? We're gonna make a spicy harissa mac and cheese, harissa chicken mac and cheese, like a Moroccan mac and cheese. Buddy, you don't want no raw chicken. You gotta get away from the food. Sorry. Chicken thighs. I love chicken thighs because they have a little bit of extra fat to them. Makes them juicier and they're cheaper. Always gotta wash your hands after handling chicken. I'm going to season our chicken with some herby harissa mix and some rosy harissa mix. Now basically harissa, if you can't find it in the store, you can emulate it with some garlic powder, some red pepper flake, smoky paprika, onion powder, salt. I like these mixes though. This has, you know, some of their secret spices in there, some rose petals. I think it's a good blend, but it's easy to make your own. I'm gonna add a touch of extra garlic powder because I love garlic, anti-vampire gang, and a little extra smoked paprika. Great color, great flavor. Olive oil. You know what? This would just be easier with our hands. Jesus. Clean hand. Get this on the stove. Medium-high heat. It's been about 7 minutes. I think our chicken is as done as we want it to be. Definitely don't want to overcook this because it's going to bake with the mac and cheese. I'll put down some plastic to cut this on because I don't want to stain this wood. Let's chop this up. All right, it's time to assemble our mac and cheese. I love using shells. These are some that I cooked earlier, just undercooked. The time on the package said like 16 minutes. They're still pretty chewy. I cooked them for 9 minutes, so I don't want them to be overdone once it bakes. Start with some cheddar sauce. Oh, I love that sound. Chopped green onions. Kitty, could you get out of the way? Cheddar and fresh mozzarella, shredded and mixed together. Don't use it all up. I want to mix some in. We're going to save some to put on the top later. Now I'm going to put in this harissa paste. It's basically just like a pepper sauce. It's so good. This is the mild version. There's a spicy one if you're brave. You can use that as well. The colors. Looks like bloody macaroni. Chicken. That's a lot of chicken. I hope this pan is big enough, just barely. Oh my God. Hit it with some more cheese on top. Gotta have that extra cheesiness bubbling on top. Use it up, because what am I gonna save it for? You can watch, but you don't get to participate, buddy. A little panko breadcrumb for that crunch. When that cheese melts and mixed with this, it's gonna be so good. And season the top with a little bit of extra garlic. And by a little bit, I mean a lot of bit. And more smoked paprika for that color. Now this is gonna go into a 400-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't burn. This is heavy. This is incredibly heavy. Bye-bye, have a nice bake. Okay, I think she's ready. I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. Crispy brown perfection. Let me just... And the smell. Oh my god, the smell. Let's take out a corner. Now that's a serving of mac and cheese. Oh! Mmm. Spicy, crispy, chickeny. I love that slightly gooey, slightly soupy mac and cheese. It's like the best of both worlds, all styles of mac and cheese together. You gotta try this.